Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is a t-shirt mockup. Total bundle is 32. These files are protected. Password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. All password in this app, and iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, here is 11 t-shirt mockup professional version. First remove this layer and you can change anything, right? As a text, logo, or change color. Same thing here, same thing. Double click, remove this. You see here, hide layers. Okay, your main design is here. Press Ctrl S and our design is here. Okay, now next is t-shirt. Simple, here your logo. Okay, here is sweater, back and front. Children, girls t-shirt mockup. Clothing mockup, triple hoodie mockup, two-tone standard zip up. Wow. Back t-shirt, neck t-shirt. Okay, okay, all files are Photoshop. Fashion bundle, here is a cap, t-shirt and a female model mockup. T-shirt folded and t-shirt front, t-shirt male mockup. Okay, female tank. Okay, you write anything or replace logo. Here is a girls kid t-shirt mockup. For example, open this one, double click here, or write anything. For example, write Sheri SK white. Okay, enter, Ctrl S. And you see our name or our text is here. Now same, you can change color or write anything. Hood, kid t-shirt, bag t-shirt. Wow, here is adjustment. Now standard hoodie, here is man t-shirt, front, back. Oh, foldable t-shirt, t-shirt mockup. Basic one, here is polo one, neck two, and here is a t-shirt female model. Okay, here is a male model. Here is just a t-shirt, unique t-shirt. Okay, put your own logo or your design here. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Download this app for password. Take care, love.